Hey everyone, welcome back to Swan Kitchen. I am here in a valley of spices, literally. I am in Thekkady, which is the hill station in Kerala, and this beauty is enchanting. It is so beautiful, the weather is perfect. I am loving my stay at Greenwood's Resort. So Chef Sajesh is going to be making Idiyappam, and he's making Idiyappam with chicken Sambul, which is authentic traditional Kerala dishes, both of them, and I absolutely relish Idiyappam. I have never had chicken Sambul, so I'm really looking forward to this preparation.
It's tomatoes and mustard seeds and red chillies and fennel seeds, salt and cardamom powder, fennel powder, ginger, then coconut flakes and grated coconut and jaggery and roasted coconut and red shallots and chilies, onion, turmeric, coconut oil and boneless chicken. This is the dough with idiyappam.
So it's rice flour added with a little bit of hot water, warm water, or
Hot
is it hot?
water.
It's hot water,
And then coconut milk.
and a little bit of coconut milk, of course. That is what makes
Make
it.
it dough. Okay.
Yeah, and then it is kneaded into a dough and then rested for some time.
Just keep it then 15 minutes.
Okay, so rest it for 15 minutes. So it's basically rice flour, adding it to hot water, kneading it, and then resting it for about 15 to 20 minutes. And this is the consistency that we are looking at for the dough. It's very fluffy. If you see, it's spongy. Yeah, beautiful. All right, so let's begin with the idiyappam.
This is a small steamer.
Okay, so this is a steamer, and this is a this you can steam idlis and everything.
Yeah, everything.
Yeah. Wow. So this is like the traditional idiyappam mold, which we are going to use. So now we're going to put in some dough in it. So we put in some grated coconut into the idli mold, that is. And then into this, he's brushed it up with coconut oil, and now we're going to go ahead and do the honors.
Like noodle.
Yeah. I am making idiyappam. Is that it?
Yeah. That's good.
And do I take it out?
Yes, ma'am.
I used to always wonder how this is done. Now I finally know.
That's it.
Wow. String hoopers. Right? These are called string hoopers.
Put in some grated coconut
On top of it?
Yeah, on top of it.
Okay, I'm going to drizzle some because never mind a little more coconut.
Yeah, that's the main attraction in coconut.
Yeah.
The grated coconut.
Alright.
Yeah, then put in the steamer.
Okay. And now let this steam
And
for
keep it 7 to 8 minutes.
7 to 8 minutes, not more than that. That's
No,
fast.
that's it, yeah.
Alright, that's quick. So while this is steaming, we're going to start off with the chicken Sambul.
Chicken Sambul.
Alright, so you can use it with bones or just boneless. So that should be good. So we are going in with some boneless chicken, and now we're going to marinate it.
Get some salt.
So some salt,
And cardamom powder
cardamom powder.
and fennel powder.
Oh, this fennel powder.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
And with turmeric.
Turmeric.
A bit of coconut oil, bit of
Oh wow, for the marination.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Okay. So that kind of tenderizes the chicken,
and
right?
a bit of jaggery.
That is really different. Okay.
And then the last extract coconut milk.
Last extract of coconut milk. So this is the thickest, this is the second, and this is the last. So chicken sambul is a Malayali dish, or is it a Tamil?
Malayali.
And how about Idiyappam? Idiyappam comes from Kerala, or it comes from Tamil Nadu?
No,
I think it's
Then
equally relevant to both the
relevant
states,
to
and it originated from either of them. Alright, so we're going to rest the chicken for 5 minutes, and now we begin with the masala. So I'm adding 3 spoons of coconut oil, a generous amount. So now that the oil is heated up, I am starting with the tempering, half a spoon of mustard seeds, now a little bit of fennel seeds.
a little bit of fennel seeds.
Okay.
Yes.
2-3 pieces of red chillies. I'm going to add a little more. I like it hot. So I'm going in with some diced coconut flakes.
Okay.
Nice. This is sliced onion, 1 bowl. There's a stirring technique I'm getting to know from a pro chef. Yes, so there is an N.
Yeah. And
an N.
And O.
And an O.
Then MNO, sometimes NMO, sometimes OMN.
So it's MNO, NMO. Alright, okay. So at this point, the onions have turned golden brown, and I'm going to be adding some ginger. This is chopped ginger. See about
that's it. Okay,
little bit, that's it. Slit green chilies for the color and the spice, and shallots, the red shallots, which are very important. So while the onions are frying, should we check on the idiyappam? So adding a little bit of turmeric.
And
Now that the onions and the chilies and the spices have been frying away, we are adding the last extract of coconut milk, which is a thin extract. The sizzle of the splatter. Wow. Just look at that, it looks so delicious. Like all the ingredients is coming and binding in together, and it's so flavorsome already. And now goes the chicken that we've marinated. My mouth is watering. Chef.
Thank you.
So chef here is taking like real good care of me, guys, and he's spoiling me at Greenwoods. I am just spoiled with all the amazing Kerala platter that is being displayed here, and I had some really yummy puttu and stew today for breakfast. It's so yummy. So now the second extract of coconut milk, and how much do I put in? About 4 spoons?
4 or 5 spoons.
4 or 5 spoons. And I'm just going to give this a mix. Some more fennel powder. So we've added a little bit of fennel powder and fennel seeds. After the cooking is done, we're going to be drizzling it with some cardamom powder and some roasted coconut
and
to make it more coconutty.
And jaggery.
Okay.
And then tomatoes.
And tomatoes. Okay.
And main one is salt.
Salt. Yeah. So tomatoes, you don't want to cook them. You want to keep them a little crunchy. We are in the land of spices. Like I saw, literally like in wild forests, I saw plantations of cardamom. everywhere. There's cardamom, there's so much pepper happening, and
cardamom and black pepper.
yeah,
Is
the main attraction here. I think even a lot of, so that's why even the cinnamon and bay leaf and you know everything. So that is what makes Thekkady the Spice Valley, and it is one of the, I think,
Then
India's,
cardamom is actually then 3-4 type of quality. Then first one is better quality, then it's the top one. Then just take the cardamom, and you can just open it. Then cardamom, just seeds. Then it's a 20-21 seeds. That's a good one.
Oh, okay.
And
So
second is
the trick to know which is the best cardamom, because there are 3-4 varieties of cardamom, is what chef is telling us. Anybody who's traveling to Thekkady, see to it that you come here and shop for spices. This is the land of spices. All right, so let's check. Yummy, this looks great. So now I can see that the coconut milk has reduced and formed into this thick, creamy consistency.
And put some
And now we're gonna add the last bit of ingredients.
cardamom powder.
So this is about half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. So why is it that cardamom powder is not put while cooking and it's
Then
put
after
at the
that,
end?
this
The flavor is more.
Flavor is more.
The flavor is retained more, and cardamom powder is always drizzled on top and not cook it
A
through.
little bit of jaggery.
And a little bit of jaggery for just to balance out the acidity, because we're going to be adding a little bit of tomatoes to this as well. So the sweetness, a hint of sweetness is needed.
And tomatoes, not too.
Just a little bit of sliced tomatoes. That's it. Yeah, the gravy is reduced, so now we're going to just add a little more thick extract, the first extract of coconut milk. Wow, now that looks yummy, chef. I can't wait to have this.
Just not first extract coconut milk using, just not boiling.
Okay. So now we're not going to boil the gravy, because this is the first extract of coconut milk, and this is just going to heat up and not let it boil. I'm just drizzling a little bit of salt now.
And some more? Yeah, that's it.
A little more. Yeah.
And put some curry leaves also.
And now in goes some curry leaves.
Okay.
Wow.
Ready.
Just look at those
And
colors.
finally, then topping of some coconut oil.
Oh. So we are not done with the coconut yet. We have some more coconut oil and some roasted coconut going in, right? So how coconutty this sambal can get? Okay, let's just start with the first thing that we put. We put coconut oil. That's what we're frying the masala in, and then
Coconut flakes.
the coconut flakes,
And coconut oil.
the coconut milk, the first extract, the second extract, and the third extract, and then
And roasted coconut also.
and then last but not the least, roasted coconut, and then again a drizzle of coconut oil. That's how coconutty the sambal is. That's amazing. Yum. I just absolutely relish coconut in any form.
That's ready.
And this is ready. Beautiful. So the roasted coconut adds just the crunch.
Crunchy.
Yeah, that crunchy texture. That is what it is for.
Ready.
Now Idiyappam is ready and we are all set to plate. And I can't wait to eat, chef. So the authentic Kerala Idiyappam and chicken sambul for breakfast is ready.
Yeah.
And I can't wait to eat this. So me and chef is now going to relish some yummy authentic Kerala breakfast. So chef, you do the honors.
So Idiyappam.
Yes.
Okay. And topping of this curry. Okay.
Wow, that looks so good. Check out the flavors, the colors, and these string hoppers. Just soaking in that creamy coconutty sambul. All right. That's absolutely yummy. Chef, thank you so much for this brilliant recipe.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
And actually getting to learn from you personally has been an amazing experience. So guys, do try this out. This is an authentic recipe, Kerala recipe coming to you from Chef Sajeesh, and it is yummy, it is easy. Do let me know how it turns out in comments. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Love you.
Bye.
Stay tuned.